All right, guys, what's up, Team Tits and Pips? Let's make some money, but not really today. Today, we are going to talk about something that some people might be wondering. How dang big is the Forex market? And a lot of people were asking me, if you have enough money or if you have enough people, following your signals or something like this, will it affect the market? Will you cause slippage? Will your market orders, if big enough, actually move the market? At what point are you going to be moving the market? This is really just a curiosity question. I'll tell you the answer very, very quickly here, coming up now. If you guys are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're old here, please make sure you hit the like button. I only make you click one button per video. That's it. So if you're unsubscribed, hit the subscribe. If you're subscribed, hit the like. Don't hit the subscribe button again. You'll unsubscribe that way. Don't be silly. You still want to watch some videos in the future, don't you? Because this stuff is the most woke Forex trading community in the world, and you're going to learn more here than in a paid course somewhere else. Let's dive into it. Let's briefly talk about the total volume traded on the different stock markets. So looking at a recent post within the past couple years here, we see that the New York stock market is trading at about $22 billion per day in retail trading volume. The Tokyo sitting at about $19 billion, and the London Stock Exchange sitting at about $7 billion. And so you can tell that the London Stock Exchange is actually quite lowest, where in Forex world, it's actually going to be the largest trading volume, and the US Stock Exchange right there, very, very close. And then the Tokyo is actually probably the smallest exchange for the Forex world. And I shouldn't be saying exchange, because Forex is actually a decentralized market, where the stock exchange, it has that central stock exchange, right? That's the word. And Forex has these brokers and liquidity providers, things like this, and you're connecting with a bunch of different peers instead of one centralized network. This actually makes it very, very similar to crypto. And we're going to talk about the crypto net trading volume as well, and the market caps of that, because that is something that is absolutely surging right now. So we would like to compare the minusculeness of the crypto market. So a total then would be roughly, let's say, under 50 billion on the stock exchange there. Now, when you compare that to the Forex market, we're trading at the past couple years, people were noting that it was around $5 trillion traded daily, and this is on leverage. So that's actually maybe a smaller amount, but we're leveraging and we're taking advantage of higher amounts of traded volume by borrowing money from banks and whatnot. Now, the most recent figure was $6.6 trillion traded daily. That was from a Bloomberg post there back in 2019. So this was last year. And the Forex market has been absolutely booming lately, with Google Trends showing Forex as a keyword actually increasing. People have been becoming more interested in Forex. I can only attribute this to people jumping into the crypto craze and then deciding that they want to be traders and jumping over to Forex, because it is a much more liquid market where you're not actually going to be moving the market as much and as easily once you do have a large capital size, and there's much more structure when it comes to the Forex market versus the very volatile trades of the crypto market. Now, to compare this with the largest crypto, Bitcoin, across all exchanges, we're only hitting about $0.5 billion in the crypto market. So it's actually quite easy to move the market. And if you are a crypto trader, you probably know that if you've been on a e-liquid exchange and you have a few $1,000s, you could still move the market quite substantially, because the actual volume on that market is so low and the books are so wide that you're actually really stacking up the orders when you place something even small. So you guys are probably also wondering, what is the most traded currency? And that's a very easy question. It's the US dollar. That's why if you're a beginner, you should probably be trading the US dollar, because that's going to be the most liquid markets where you can really take advantage of all those smooth movements and the manipulation that the banks are going to give you. It'll be great. So the US dollar has about 85% of total volume traded. It is then followed by the euro, which has about 40% of the volume traded, and then the yen at about 20%. So these are the most powerful currencies, and they will take the most control when you are actually trading these pairs. Now, you guys are probably wondering, why did those percentages not equal 100? That is way more than 100. Hunter, you are terrible at math, and this entire video is crap. You should probably hit the like button right now, because it's not crap.
How, Sway?
It's actually because the pairs are bound together. So it could be the dollar and the yen put together. So that would also count 1% on each one. Not 1%, but it would count as a percent.
Nice.
All right, guys, I hope that helps you understand how the Forex market works here. And a lot of people, they kind of wonder, okay, what if you have a signal group here and people are running the FTMO challenge or something like that, and you have a bunch of people all trading with $100,000, and you maybe have $1 million or $2 million under your group, something like this, right? Or just under your name, something like that. If you have a ton of money, do you have to worry about slippage? And the answer is pretty much no. That's why we trade the Forex market. We have unlimited growth without ever having to worry about the market. You could literally be taking hundreds of $1,000s out of the market every single day, and it wouldn't move an inch. It wouldn't budge. It wouldn't care. $100,000 is nothing for the Forex market. So that is your goal: $100,000 a day. CEO, $100,000 a day. But that is everything, guys. Hopefully that answers your questions there. And if you guys are interested in joining a Discord community, there's a free one in the section below. There's also that signal group that I was talking about, and you guys can follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you subscribe first, though. See you guys next time. Peace.
Listen.